account, abound, blouse, blackout, ground. These five words are one type of sound where I highlight with the blue. Say once again: account, abound, blouse, blackout, ground. Here O you pronounce as a ow. But in this word, ear, obvious, obvious. So ear sound will, you will get it. Remaining uh, jug, ang, stuck, blush, trunk, slug, rough, ugly, blunt. These are all one type of category pronunciation. So in English, pronunciation also very important. You kindly concentrate on this vocabulary. Now coming to improve your writing skills, what you have to do. To improve your writing skills, you have to write something. Whether it is right or wrong, your teachers or parents will guide you and suggest you. First, you have to write it. For that, what we have to do, just you can write your own sentences. Take for example, here one situation is given. Look at the sentences given below and write a short story using them. So, a group of dogs chases a jackal. A group of dogs chases a jackal. The jackal falls into tub of a dye and becomes blue. Sorry, and becomes blue. All the other jackals in the forest are scared of him, and then on rainy night dot dot. So now you imagine it. Sir, we don't know the meaning, some words. If you don't know the meaning, take the help of the dictionary. Take the help of the teacher, a special dictionary you take. Here I hope jackal. If you know, it's well and good. If not, open the dictionary. What is the meaning of jackal? One type of animal only. Find out. Anyway, I don't want. And tub. I think you know tub means. Die. This is a new word for you. Not die means death. Okay. And jackals. One more. Forest. I think you know. Scared. What is this word? Scared. Nothing but fear. Okay. I don't want to say the meanings. If I say again. So you find out with help of the dictionary meanings, and now you continue what happened when jackal fell down. So actually one jackal chased by a few dogs, and unexpected it fell in a blue colored tub. Means it's a colored dye means, okay, in that lens it's a blue colored tub it fell into, and total jackal color changed and it's a blue color, and this blue colored jackal went into the forest. Initially all jackals get scared, fear about the blue colored jackal. Then one night, rainy night, what happened? You imagine it and write at least 7 sentences, 8 sentences. Continue. Okay, write your own. Your teacher will correct you. Okay, that is the way we improve our writing skills. Now coming to listening skills. So to improve our language, English language, we always listen properly. Even when the conversation between two people in English language, then you listen it and note down what are the important information you have listened or given by the one speaker. If you take for example some in TVs, some debates will, so not in Telugu or Hindi languages, you kindly concentrate in English debates. Okay, at that time what do you understand, you note down in the book. Such a way you can improve your listening skills, and before that like a pronunciation also you will understand. And the last one is speaking skills. What you have to do speaking. So in the lesson the landlord's wedding, do you feel it's a funny? Yes, because if you don't, if you feel funny, it's good. Yeah, otherwise, one thing you do it. In your life, funny situations can happen anytime and anywhere. Have you witnessed, means in your life, in front of you, anytime, have you witnessed anything funny? If you have you experienced or heard about funny incidents which you cannot forget, if you have, share it with your class. So in your lifetime as being a third class children age, you have, you to face so many funny situations unexpectedly. So which situation you remember a lot, which you never forget, that situation you can share with your classmate in English only. Okay na? Then in such a way you can improve your speaking skills also. This is the whole LSRW, listening, speaking, reading and writing part of a language, and pronunciation case concentrate, especially grammar part also, subject predicate also we have to revise, and antonyms, nothing but opposites. These are all vocabulary development you did. This is the first chapter, the landlord's wedding. Thank you students, thank you very much.